Hey riders, welcome back to channel. Today, we're counting down the top 7 most powerful motorcycles in the world. Number 7. Aprilia RSV4 1100. Factory. Gear up for a thrill ride with the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. A superbike masterpiece, pushing the boundaries of performance. Its heart lies in a powerful 1099cc V4 engine that unleashes a beastly 217 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute, ready to propel you forward with exhilarating acceleration. The lightweight chassis and aerodynamic winglets, inspired by MotoGP technology, hug corners with razor-sharp precision, while the semi-active Öhlins suspension adapts to your riding style for unmatched control. Comfort isn't compromised either. The sculpted fuel tank and saddle offer an optimized riding position for aggressive riding or a relaxed cruise. With a 17.9 liters fuel tank, you can carve up the twisties without frequent stops. Glare at the competition as you reach a staggering top speed of over 305 kilometers per hour. This Italian stallion comes in a single color option and demands a starting price of $26,499, placing it amongst the elite of the superbike category. So, are you ready to experience the pinnacle of Italian performance and design? Number 6. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, a crown jewel in the sport bike category. This aggressive machine boasts a powerful 998cc engine that unleashes a ferocious 203 horsepower, making it a true contender on the racetrack. The lightweight chassis and aerodynamic design ensure agility and precision handling, while the comfortable riding position, surprisingly for a sport bike, allows you to push your limits without sacrificing comfort. Kawasaki equips the Ninja ZX-10R with a rider-selectable power control system and advanced traction control for maximum control, making it suitable for both seasoned riders and those seeking to refine their skills. With a 17 liters fuel tank, you can carve up corners without frequent gas station stops. The high-performance suspension soaks up bumps for a smooth ride, and the digital instrument cluster keeps you informed of all vital statistics. Topping out at over 299 km per hour, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is a dream machine for any adrenaline seeker, and it carries a starting price tag of $17,799. Number 5. Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP. The Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a MotoGP-derived beast with a 999cc inline-4 engine roaring to life with 214 horsepower at 14,000 revolutions per minute. Imagine the exhilarating rush. Öhlins' electronically controlled suspension adapts to every twist and turn, while Brembo's top-shelf brakes deliver unmatched stopping power. The aggressive riding position demands focus, but rewards with razor-sharp handling. A titanium Akrapovic exhaust keeps weight down and adds a throaty growl. With a 16.5 liters fuel tank, you'll be strategically planning your fill-ups between adrenaline surges. Topped with a 299 kilometers per hour potential top speed, the Fireblade SP pushes the boundaries of both machine and rider. This isn't for the faint of heart, but for those seeking a pure, untamed riding experience. It's a dream come true. Coming in at a starting price of $28,500, it's an investment in unparalleled performance. Number 4. Ducati Panigale V4 R. The Ducati Panigale V4 R, a machine that blurs the lines between racetrack and road. Its heart is a fire-breathing 998cc Desmosedici Stradale R engine, a symphony of Italian engineering that screams to a stratospheric 16,500 revolutions per minute, spitting out a peak 240.5 horsepower, Euro 5 compliant. This translates to exhilarating acceleration and acclaimed top speed exceeding 330 kilometers per hour. The Ducati Panigale V4 R isn't just about power though. Öhlins' suspension and a lightweight chassis ensure razor-sharp handling, while a suite of advanced electronics, including cornering ABS and traction control, keeps you in control. Aerodynamic wings generate downforce for superior stability under braking and cornering. The aggressive riding position screams performance, but surprisingly, the Panigale V4R isn't a backbreaker for shorter stints on the street. With a 17 liters fuel tank, you'll be stopping for thrills more often than fuel refills. This exotic Italian stallion comes with a price tag to match, with a starting price of $45,495 in the United States. It's a serious machine for serious riders. Number 3. BMW M1000RR, the BMW M1000RR, a homologation special that bridges the gap between championship performance and street riding. Its 999cc shift cam engine, meticulously engineered for both power and control, delivers a staggering 205 horsepower and screams to a thrilling 15,100 revolutions per minute redline. Yet, the M1000RR isn't solely about brute force. Extensive use of lightweight carbon fiber keeps weight in check, while sophisticated aerodynamics generate exceptional downforce for confidence-inspiring cornering grip. The riding position itself strikes a remarkable balance. Slightly raised handlebars provide surprising comfort for extended rides, without compromising the aggressive feel expected from a machine of this caliber. With a 16.5 liters fuel tank, you can focus on the ride, and when it's time to slow down, the M brakes offer industry-leading stopping power. The M1000RR is the pinnacle of performance for riders seeking the ultimate thrill, topping out at an exhilarating 314 kilometers per hour. It carries a price tag of $33,345, a worthy investment for those who crave pure riding exhilaration. Number 2. MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR, the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR, a stunning and powerful hyper-naked motorcycle. This Italian masterpiece boasts a 998cc inline four-cylinder engine, churning out a heart-pounding 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Imagine the exhilarating rush as you accelerate towards a 300 km/h top speed. The trellis frame and single-sided swing arm, crafted from high-grade materials, provide a lightweight and agile platform for precision handling. Unlike some rivals, the Brutale 1000RR offers a comfortable, upright riding position, making it ideal for carving corners or cruising in style. Compared to the previous model, MV Agusta has refined the electronics package for smoother gear changes and improved overall performance. They've also incorporated top-shelf components like titanium conrods and low-friction pistons, highlighting their commitment to quality and performance. With a 16 liters fuel tank, you can enjoy extended rides between fill-ups. This head-turning machine comes with a hefty price tag of $38,198, placing it amongst the most expensive naked bikes on the market. But for those seeking an unparalleled riding experience, the Brutale 1000RR is a true masterpiece of motorcycling art. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R redefines the boundaries of performance. Its heart lies in a supercharged 998cc engine, untamed and ready to unleash 310 horsepower. With ram air intake engaged, that figure surges to a mind-numbing 326 horsepower. Imagine the exhilaration as this thoroughbred rockets towards a top speed exceeding 400 kilometers per hour. Precision handling is assured by a lightweight carbon fiber body and a high-performance suspension system, allowing the H2R to carve corners with razor-sharp focus. The sole color option, mirror-coated matte spark black, boasts a self-healing clear coat, a thoughtful feature for those moments when track day passion meets minor mishaps. The 17 liters fuel tank ensures uninterrupted riding sessions, and the H2R's fuel requirement of high-octane gasoline, minimum RON 95, is a necessary concession to its unmatched performance. The riding position is pure racer, placing you in a low crouch for optimal speed and control. The price tag for this engineering marvel? A significant $58,100, placing it firmly in a category of its own. We've reached the conclusion of our exploration into the top 7 most powerful production motorcycles. To stay updated on all things motorcycles, be sure to subscribe to our channel.